How to make TikTok video. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can make TikTok video. Now, making TikTok video is quite simple. There are essentially two different options that you can make TikTok video. The first is if you open up TikTok app and tap on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen. Here you'll be able to create new video here by tapping on shoot, and then tapping on red button here we'll be able to make a video, and then you can choose timer. Here you can add sounds from this original sound option that you can see at the top. Here you can add sounds, and then you can add effects by tapping on effects here, and you can add other various options that you can see on the screen here. You can add beauty, timer, search. Now, however, if you don't wanna upload, or if you don't wanna create it from TikTok, what you can do, the other option that you can make TikTok video is by uploading it. Now, to upload it, simply tap on upload option here, and if you already have clicked a video here, you can choose it from a gallery, or you can select pictures and make a template as well. So these are the ways you can make TikTok videos, and once you make it, you can post it. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.